Let's give them a round of applause. You may now start.
Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makakita, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong hiling.
Contestant is Jared Clint Brilliant. Let's give him a round of applause.
Will announce the winner in second place, Jared Clint Brilliant. For first place, Francesca Iya Ibanez and Jocelyn Marie Capeocho. Let's give them a round of applause. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to make lungs. The materials needed are
Plastic bottle, bending straw,
scissors,
balloon,
tape, glue stick, and lighter.
cut the straw.
throw your trash there. What's the problem? Because if you throw your trash there, our school will become messy and will affect everyone. Okay, I will throw the trash in a proper place. Good job! I want to do stretching with you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Let's play secret.
Can we join?
Yes, you can join with us. We are ready. We are not ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wait, before we start the game, Sikyo is a traditional Filipino game similar to Agawan Base. This game involves two teams competing to steal the opponent's base by touching it without being tagged. Players who are tagged become prisoners and are freed when a teammate touches them. Let's continue the game.
Ano nangyari sa iyong kaibigan? Iniwan ako ng mga kaibigan ko eh. Huwag kang mag-alala, nandito naman ako. Hindi naman kita kilala. Ako si Nelson River. Ako si Christian. Bakit gusto mo akong maging kaibigan? Masaya ako na nag-usap tayo at gusto kitang makilala pa.
Boring. I'm hungry. Wait! Let's wash first. Okay.
First is wet your hands with clean running water. Second is to apply soap to cover all surfaces. Rub your hands at least 20 seconds. Finally, rinse them under the running water.
Why do we need to wash our hands before eating? We need to wash our hands before eating to stay fit and avoid illness. Ay, bobo, kahit munti, ang halaman noon ay sari-sari, singamas at talong. What are you feeling? Bye, Kubo.
Do you know what major scale is by Kubo?
No.
C major scale is consists of the note C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.
Is there letter A? Is there letter B?
There's no letter A and there's also no letter B. But there is F and G major scale. G major scale is consists of G, A, B, C, D, E, F with a sharp, and G. And the last major scale is called F major scale. F major scale is consists of F, G, A, B with a flat, C, D, E, F.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
How does a food digest in our body? Or how does it work? How does a food digest in our body or how does it work?
Digestion breaks down food into nutrients that the body absorbs for energy, growth, and repair.
Oh, thanks, Odd. Bye! I want to go planting. I feel lonely. Listen, you wanna go planting? Sure! I had some pots.
Why does the pot has holes?
The pot has holes so the water would drain.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. À sauter les repas, je suis habituée.
Yay! I have a plant.
Yay! I'm so happy to plant with you. Bye. Hey Arla, do you want to see who's the best drawing?
Are you trying to challenge me?
I am.
It's better to draw on paper.
Nah, bro, digital art's better.
Let's see.
Just process.
Traditional art is made through paper, pencil, and colors.
This is my drawings. Digital art is created by technology.
Yes, you win.
Ba't ka malako? Dahil iniwan ako ng aking mga kaibigan. Huwag kang mag-alala kung iyong magiging kaibigan. Maraming salamat. Ano ang iyong ngalan? Ang ngalan ay Chad. Ako naman si Russell. Papakilala kita sa aking mga kaibigan. Tara na! Mga kaibigan!
Ano yun?
Alin yung aking bagong kaibigan, siya ay si Russell.
Ligayang pagbati, Russell. Kami ang iyong magiging kaibigan.
Maraming salamat mga kaibigan.
Maglaro tayo!
For our science lesson, we learned about the respiratory system. These two balloons represents the lungs, and the straw represents the trachea. Meanwhile, the balloon at the bottom represents the diaphragm. These DIY lungs replicate inhaling and exhaling. The 6 parts of the respiratory system are nose, mouth, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm. The nose is where the air enters our body. The mouth is another way air can enter our body. And the trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube that carries air from the nose and mouth down to the lungs. It's like a highway for air. And the bronchi are two tubes that branch off from the trachea and carry air directly to the lungs. Lungs are like big balloons that fill with air when we breathe in. They help move oxygen into our body and take out carbon dioxide. And lastly, the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle at the bottom of our chest that helps us breathe. It moves down to let air in and moves up to push air out.
Do you remember about our lesson? It's about F major, G major, and C major.
Yes, it's so easy to remember because G major has a sharp, F major has a flat, meanwhile C major has no sharp and flat.
Major scale is a diatonic scale characterized by a specific pattern of whole and a half steps.
The three majors are G major, F major, and C major. G major has a sharp sign, F major has a flat sign,
Meanwhile, C major doesn't have a sharp or flat sign.
it is written after the clef.
Hi, Lansay, what are you doing?
I'm making our art activity. Why?
Huh? But I thought our teacher said to make a digital art.
Oh no, but I'm almost done.
It's okay. Good thing you can use clear scanning app. Here, borrow my phone.
Thank you so much, Caitlin. Thank you so much, Caitlin.
You know that is bad for our community?
Sorry, Brian, we will not do it again.
Wow, guys, you finally learned your lesson. That's good.
Of course, we learned that cleaning can help to make our community clean, peaceful, and healthy.
Stay up, Brian. Now we know why cleaning is so important for our community.
But wait, where is Chad?
Is absent.
Okay, let's clean already.
Harangang Taga, also known as Patintero, is a traditional Filipino game where players try to cross lines guarded by opponents without getting tagged.
Big Sis, what are you doing?
I'm planting. You wanna join me? Come, follow me.
Wait, I remember something. Big Sis, do you know what is the difference between non-bearing trees and bearing trees?
No, can you teach me?
Bearing trees has a fruit, meanwhile non-bearing trees has no fruit. Do you know who are the three famous orchard growers? Edita Ginaldo da Koykoy, Alfredo M. Yao, and lastly Patricio Base.
Thank you, little sis. I've learned a lot.